Hello, Lei Ho, and welcome to Super.Speak.Juniors. In this topic, we'll be learning about fruit and vegetables. You will notice as we are going through the topic that some words are spoken in one way but written in another. For an explanation of why we do this, please see my other video titled Why Spoken Cantonese is Different to Written Chinese. The link is posted in the description below. Now let's begin. Fruit.
水果
Fruit.
水果
Apple.
蘋果
Apple.
蘋果
Banana.
香蕉
Banana.
香蕉
Blueberry.
藍莓
Blueberry.
藍莓
Grapes.
葡萄
Grapes.
葡萄
Orange.
橙
Orange.
橙
Pear.
梨
Pear.
梨
Kiwi.
奇異果
Kiwi.
奇異果
Lychee.
荔枝
Lychee.
荔枝
Mango.
芒果
Mango.
芒果
Raspberry.
覆盆子
Raspberry.
覆盆子
Pineapple.
菠蘿
Pineapple.
菠蘿
Plum.
梨
Plum.
梨
Tangerine.
金
Tangerine.
金
Strawberry.
草莓
Strawberry.
草莓
Tomato.
番茄
Tomato.
番茄
Watermelon.
西瓜
Watermelon.
西瓜
Vegetables.
蔬菜
Vegetables.
蔬菜
Cucumber.
青瓜
Cucumber.
青瓜
Broccoli.
西蘭花
Broccoli.
西蘭花
Peas.
豌豆
Peas.
豌豆
Carrots.
紅蘿蔔
Carrots.
紅蘿蔔
Lettuce.
生菜
Lettuce.
生菜
Spinach.
菠菜
Spinach.
菠菜
Sweetcorn.
粟米
Sweetcorn.
粟米
Mushrooms.
蘑菇
Mushrooms.
蘑菇
Pak Choi.
白菜
Pak Choi.
白菜
Onion.
洋葱
Onion.
洋葱
Garlic.
蒜頭
Garlic.
蒜頭
Red pepper.
紅椒
Red pepper.
紅椒
Green pepper.
青椒
Green pepper.
青椒
Potato.
薯仔
Potato.
薯仔
Sweet potato.
番薯
Sweet potato.
番薯
Thank thank you for watching this video. For more learning resources, please go to our website www.Super.Speak.Juniors.com. Thank you. Bye.